Hi, this is ByBlock Computer Services, and today we'll be discussing OneDrive. So if you need to access OneDrive online, you can use any web browser such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. As you may already know, OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage app where you're able to store your files, share your files with others, or access them from any device as long as you have an internet connection. So let's get started. The browser I'm going to be using today is Google Chrome. And once you have your web browser open, you can type in OneDrive.com. When you get to OneDrive.com, the home page, there will be a blue sign in button. You want to click on that sign in button, and it will take you to the page where you need to enter your email. Please keep in mind you do need a Microsoft account. So you want to enter that particular email. I'm going to go ahead and type mine in. And then when you have your email typed in, you can go ahead and press the blue next button. Now this is where you type your password, so go ahead. After your password is in, you can go ahead and press the blue sign in button at the bottom right. So when you come into OneDrive online, this is what you'll see. You have a menu on the left side, and you do have files in the middle of the screen. If you don't have any files in your OneDrive, this will be blank. I do want to discuss this new button. This button is awesome. This button allows you to create Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations online as well, directly from OneDrive. So say we wanted to open a new Word document, we would press the new button and select Word. It opens a new tab in your web browser, and you can begin working directly from here. It has all the same controls as your desktop application would. And on the top left here, as you can see, it says save to OneDrive. So all your changes are automatically saved. And once you press that button to create a new document, that document is automatically saved to your OneDrive. I'm going to go back to the other tab where my OneDrive is. And it's the same process if you want to open a new Excel spreadsheet and begin working from the web. And it's also the same process if you would like to start a new PowerPoint presentation. And they open as new tabs. So the file names for these are Document 3, Book 3, and Presentation 3. Let's see if these are automatically saved in your OneDrive. I'm going to go back to the OneDrive tab. We're already in my files, as you can see on the left hand side. So I'm just going to scroll down and see if I see Document 3, Book 3, and Presentation 3. So Presentation 3 is here, created less than a minute ago. We have Document 3, and it looks like we have Book 3, so that's great. Another useful button, which is to the right of the new button, is the Upload button. The Upload allows you to either upload files directly from the computer or device that you're working on, or you can upload an entire folder of files. So we're going to go ahead and click the Upload button. And we're going to select Files. This is going to open a pop-up box. That's going to allow us to choose the file we want from our computer. Your file may be in Documents or Downloads. I'm going to choose a file from my desktop. I'm going to double click into this folder named Test. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the file named computer.png. I'm going to click the Open button. It may be a little different if you're on a Windows computer or another device, but I'm on a Mac, so mine says Open. And on the top right, we get a notification here letting us know that computer.png has been uploaded to my files. I'm just going to scroll down and check that it's there. And here it is, computer.png, uploaded less than a minute ago. If you want to upload an entire folder, you can go to Upload, and select folder. I'm going to go to my desktop and I want to upload this entire test folder. So I'm going to select it the same way I would select the file. It's highlighted and I'm going to select this blue button on the bottom right of the screen, upload. Google Chrome is just verifying that we want to upload 5 files to this site. I'm going to confirm and say upload. And on the top right, it gives you progress uploading 1 item, 5 items, 7 items. And then here's a notification letting us know that that test folder has been uploaded. And here it is. So my question to you is, what are you using OneDrive for? Is it for personal use? Are you using it for work? Let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you. And please like, share, and subscribe.